YouTube, this is Kazarim Setso, and today we are going to learn how to type on a path like this one. First we are going to hit here, then we are going to create a path like that one, and to maintain the center of this circle we are going to press both Shift and Alt and hold on them while drawing our circle. So first we are going to draw one like this, then we are going to head to the type tool and select type on a path tool, then double click on this path and it's done. Pretty simple, huh? We can type whatever we want, then make it bigger to fit in. If we wanna make a vertical type like this one here, all we have to pick is this one right here, then click once and type whatever you want. Simple.